Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate UnitedHealthcare hearing benefits, coverage guide step by step clearly. To activate your UnitedHealthcare hearing benefits, begin by visiting the UnitedHealthcare official website. Log into your member account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the benefits section of the website. Here, locate the Hearing Benefits option. Click on it to access detailed information about your coverage. Review the list of covered services and providers under your specific plan. Take note of any preferred providers or facilities for your hearing needs. If you require hearing aids, check the specific guidelines for coverage. You may need to obtain a referral from your primary care physician. Contact your provider to schedule an appointment for a hearing evaluation. During your appointment, discuss your symptoms and any issues you're experiencing. After the evaluation, your audiologist will recommend necessary treatment options or devices. If hearing aids are suggested, ask about the process for coverage and costs. Obtain any documentation needed from your audiologist for UnitedHealthcare. Submit the required paperwork through your member account or by mail. Follow up with UnitedHealthcare to confirm that your benefits have been activated. If needed, reach out to customer service for assistance or clarification. Once your benefits are activated, you can begin your journey toward better hearing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.